Hello my friends, today this video will be very excited. You know why? Because finally somebody else bring to us not brown, not beige, not orange eyeshadow, a beautiful, gorgeous burgundy purple eyeshadows. And yes, it's Tom Ford brand new limited edition new formula eyeshadow palette, and it's metallic mauve. Look at how beautiful this eyeshadow. Look at me with makeup and without makeup. I think it's a huge difference, right? If you like this look, stay with me. I will swatch for you. I will tell you price. I'm gonna show you how I create this entire look. And yes, wait, I have something else. I have a little gift giveaway for one of you. You must live in United States. Comments below, and me and my daughter, we're gonna choose the winner. You're gonna receive full-size Tom Ford lipstick and this beautiful Tom Ford lipstick case, and inside it's velvety and you have little mirror inside. All what you need to do, just comments below. But let me swatch this eyeshadow palette for you because I want you to see these colors close. $95, it's expensive, but you know what? We're talking about luxury. It's Tom Ford palette. My first step is foundation. I already have skincare on my face and I did fill my little bit eyebrows. This is shade Illuminate Soft Radiance Foundation. We have with you here 50 SPF. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. I'll be honest with you, if you dry, if you have combination to dry skin, you're gonna love this foundation. It feels very light, nice, beautiful coverage, and I really like how glowing this foundation. Yes, it is expensive, $150, but if you're into luxury, you're gonna love this foundation. Again, it feels very light. It just gives me this beautiful glow and amazing coverage. Look at one side and another. Ooh, that's a huge difference. Next, it's concealer, and this concealer it's $60. Transfer Soft Matte Concealer. I love this concealer. It's very creamy, it's rich, it's a buildable coverage, it's waterproof, humidity proof, and I just really like this formula. Let's bring a little bit color to my face. This is it, shade Illuminator Contour Duo. Today I am most showing you my favorite Tom Ford products. I love this contouring and highlighting combo. We have here contour and we have highlighter. They are cream, $95. This is just such a beautiful product. I like to apply a little bit contours this way, and I apply a little bit higher because I want little bit lift. Then I like to put little bit underneath, close to my hairline. And now all what I'm gonna do, just a little bit blend and push my bronze up. Bronze make a big difference. Now for highlighter, I actually gonna use my finger. I'm just gonna apply right here. It's not gonna give you a lot of shimmer, it's just gonna give you this healthy, beautiful glow. I'm gonna leave my face, and now are you ready? I am. We're gonna use this gorgeous, beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm so happy, I'm smiling because everybody bringing like bronze, gold, brown. It's not many brands bringing to us beautiful pinky, pearly color, or like this palette from Tom Ford. Okay, let's start. Let's use this beautiful, I will say, baby. Wow, look at these colors. Look at how beautiful this eyeshadow palette. I wanna say even, oh my god, look at how sexy this eyeshadow. We have two matte colors and we have two shimmer. Of course, I am so excited to see this little purpley sparkly eyeshadow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. My first step is eyeshadow primer from Tom Ford. And I don't know, I don't really much using this primer, maybe because I'm so in love with matte painterly. If you a long time with me, you know it's my favorite primer. But today I'm gonna try Tom Ford eyeshadow primer and see if I like or not. I'm just enjoying these colors. They look so pretty. Look at the sparkles. It's amazing quality. I love this new formula. Okay, how to use this eyeshadow palette? Very easy. The lightest color, which one? It's right here, right? It's gonna be our middle color. This one, it's gonna be on the center. It will be our accent. Then on the crease, we're gonna use darker color. And this light sparkle, we're gonna apply close to brows and little bit in the corners. That's it. I have a big blending brush and we're gonna use this color. Again, it's your middle color, it's your matte color, and we're gonna apply above my socket area. And I pushing this color little bit up, applying right here in the corner, and again, very softly, we are applying up. Now I'm gonna use another blending brush and we're gonna use this deep burgundy color. This color I apply on my crease and I pushing this color a little bit up. Very pretty, rich, but I will say like it's amazing how beautiful this color. It's popped my eyes and it's not looks like too dark. I love this burgundy color. I feel this is my favorite eyeshadow palette from Tom Ford I ever own. I don't see nothing fall down. Eyeshadow looks beautiful. I don't even need much blends. That's it. Amazing on my eyelid. Yes, it is expensive, $95, but if you're looking for something different, I feel this palette, it's really different. Now I have a small flat brush, not fluffy, it's not your blending brush, just small flat brush. I'm gonna use this beautiful purple shimmer eyeshadow, or you can use your finger too, and let's apply on my eyelid right here. Oh my god, look at this sparkles, look at the shimmer. It's so beautiful, rich sparkly look, nothing falling down. Eyeshadow stay perfect on my eyelid. These sparkles look so pretty on my eyelid, and yes, I like Tom Ford eyeshadow primer. It's so pretty, guys. I hope you can see this. Wow, I love this eyeshadow. I have a small tiny blending brush from North, and I need to add little bit more deeper this color right here on the corner. Little bit, I will say, refresh my crease. And I applying above my scalp the sparkles very little, just like this. I try to teach you, to show you very easy eyeshadow application. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. I'm not just reviewing here products, I teaching how to use this luxury world products. Love you more than ice cream. Please give me a thumbs up and let's continue. Believe me or not, we're almost done with eyes. I have small tiny brush. I'm gonna use this light, very sparkly eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply close to my brow bone. Oh my god, it's beautiful. So pretty. And let's add a little bit here in the corner. I love this eye look. If you want a little bit more softer eye look, don't put any eyeshadow underneath. If you are going somewhere, you want like drama mama look, you can just put underneath a little bit dark burgundy eyeshadow. Will open your eyes, will make your eyes a little bit bigger, and will give you a little bit this extra drama look. But today I want to look young and fresh. I'm gonna use my beauty blender because I actually need little bit clean right here. I always like to use beauty blender or concealer brush underneath, just little bit clean, soft, and it's extra, we'll say, lift. After 46, I need extra lift. What do you see? To finish this look, I'm gonna curl my lashes and then I'm gonna use Tom Ford liquid eyeliner. Yes, it is expensive. Do I like? Absolutely. All what I do, I just press close to my lashes. I'm gonna make a very small tiny wink right here. That's it. Love my eyes, they look so pretty, beautiful purple burgundy colors. Okay, time just to add mascara. I'm gonna add mascara, we'll be right back. My eyes, it's done, and now let's finish my face. I have translucent powder from Tom Ford. I really like this powder. It's not your foundation powder, it's more sheer powder. All what I want, just little bit set my makeup. Now I'm using highlighter from Tom Ford Moonlight. I love this highlighter. I like it's no sparkles. You know how sometimes you're using some sparkly highlighter and it's like everywhere? This is just, it's a beautiful glowing highlighter. For my blush, I'm gonna use Hourglass palette. I love this new limited edition palette. It's #2, and we have a beautiful like a pinky with little bit plum color blush, and this will be perfect blush for this look. Oh, I like it. What should I do for my lips? I feel I want a little bit brighter but deeper color. Also remember, I have little gift giveaway for one of you. You must live in United States. Just comments below, and me and my daughter together we're gonna choose the winner. Love you more than ice cream, and let's continue. For my lips, you know what? I decide I wanna use North Lip Color Cruella. It's a lipstick lip liner together, and I think it's gonna look beautiful on me. It's a pretty lip color, but I need to add little lip gloss, and I'm gonna use Lancome Juicy Tube. It's Tickled Pink. I love this lip combo. It's perfect color for fall. Again, it's like almost holidays. It's here. Love you more than ice cream. I will put link below with all products I use. If you're new to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you guys in my next video.